8th chapter differential equations. This chapter belongs to mathematics 2B part 11. Last part completed, impounded 7 marks homogeneous differential equation model problems. Today also we explained one more repeated problem, impounded problem. What is the problem? Solve x square minus y square into dx minus xy into dy equal to 0. First of all, this can be written in terms of dy by dx. This minus xy into dy goes to right hand side, that is base. That's why you can write x square minus y square into dx is equal to xy into dy. After that, this dx goes to here, this xy goes to here, you get what? dy by dx. First you can write dy by dx. dy by dx is equal to this value goes to here, x square minus y square by xy. See students, suppose this is what? This is homogeneous differential equation or not, check. Here what is the condition 1? Shortcut condition 1 identical. You can explain the last class. Here the degree of x is 2, the degree of y is 2. Both degrees are equal, that's why this is the degree of numerator is 2. Degree of denominator 1, 1. 1 plus 1, how much? 2. This is a homogeneous differential equation. Which order? First order. This is the homogeneous. That's why you can write total y is equal to dx. This is in the form of dy by dx. That's why you can write y equal to dx. After that, derivative with respect to the y, dy by dx equal to b plus x into dv by dx. These values are substituted in the equation 1. Substituted in the equation 1. You get 1 plus. What is the value of dy by dx? b plus x into dv by dx is equal to x square minus y value is bx whole square all by x into y value is bx. You can write y value is bx, dy by dx value is b plus x into dv by dx. Last problem also be similar in this model only. Next, b plus x into dv by dx is equal to x square minus b square x square by v into x square. X into x how much? X square. V into x square. Here numerator which one is common, students? Numerator is the x square common. Remaining you can write 1 minus b square y. Here v into x square get cancelled. Remaining what? V plus x into dv by dx is equal to 1 minus b square by v. After that you can write x into dv by dx is equal to 1 minus b square by v. This v goes to that side, this v goes to this side, minus b by 1. X into dv by dx is equal to, you can write x and v. 1 minus b square is similar, minus v into v square. Here we can write x into dv by dx is equal to 1 minus b square. You can write minus 2b square by b. After that you can use here variable separable method. Here variable what, students? V and x are variables. That's why you can write x into dv is equal to 1 minus 2b square by v into dx. This value goes to here, this value goes to here. You get it? This value goes to here reciprocal. That's why you can write v by 1 minus 2b square into dv is equal to, this value goes to here reciprocal. X reciprocal is 1 by x dx. Here this value total in terms of v, this is in terms of x. This is the variable separable method completed. Separable variables are separated. After that, integration on both sides. Integration on both sides, you get what, students? Integral v by 1 minus 2v square into dv is equal to integral 1 by x dx. See students, this derivative, this denominator derivative is numerator, is not or not, check. Here one derivative what can 0, minus 2 common, v square derivative 2v, minus 2 into 2v, minus 4v. But here only v is there. That's why this is multiplied with minus 4 and divided with minus 4. Understood or not? Here This derivative, one derivative is 0, minus 2 common, b square derivative 2b, minus 2 into 2b, minus 4a. Here only b is there. You can multiply this b minus 4 and dividing with minus 4. You get what? Minus 1 by 4 into this derivative numerator, that's why you can write integral f dash by f of x formula log of mod of f of x 1 minus 2b square is equal to log x. Plus you can write these all values in terms of log, you can write log c. After that you can write here minus 1 by 4 log of, you can write in this value, in place of b you can write how much? In place of b you can write y by x, substitute in this equation 1 minus 2 into y by x whole square is equal to log x plus log c, you can write log x into c. Understood? After that this 4 goes to here, that is minus 4 log of 1 minus 2 into y square by 2 into y square by x square 1 minus 2 into y square by x square is equal to minus 4 into log x into c. This minus 1 by 4 goes to here, minus 4 into. After that, take LCM log of x square minus 2y square by x square. We have to take LCM x square LCM. X square minus 2y square by x square is equal to minus 4 log x into c. This minus 4, this m into log a form is there. M into log a, you can write log a power m. That's why you can write log x square minus 2y square by x square is equal to log xc all power minus 4. Log a whole power m formula, m into log a. We know that formula. You can write here log whole cancel. X square minus 2y square by x square is equal to xc all power minus 4. xc all power minus 4 nothing but this is numerator. Numerator power having negative, that numerator goes to denominator power having positive. That's why this one is 1 by xc all power 4. X square minus 2y square by x square is equal to 1 by x power 4 into c power 4. Understood or not? A b whole power nothing but a power m into b power m power. After that, here 1x square get cancelled, remaining 1x square is there. That's why you can write x square minus 2y square is equal to 1 by x square into c power 4. This x square goes to here, just x square goes to here. X square into x square minus 2y square is equal to 1 by c power 4. This is integral constant. This integral constant you can take one more integral constant, that is capital K or small k, anyone. X square minus 2y square equal to some k, here 6k is equal to 1 by c power 4. Understood or not? This is the solution of the x square minus y square into dx minus xy into dy equal to 0 differential equation solution is x square into x square minus 2y square equal to k. Understood or not? In this way you can do that homogeneous differential equation model problems. Today assignment problems are homework problems in this homogeneous differential equation model. First one is solve x square y minus 2xy square whole dx is equal to x cube minus 3x square y whole dy. First of all, this can be written as in terms of dy by dx. This dx goes to here, this value goes to here. You get to dy by dx is equal to dy by dx is equal to, you can write x square y minus 2xy square by x cube minus 3x square by. First of all, this one is homogeneous or not, check. Here, see students, here x square 2 plus 1, this degree is 3, 1 plus 2 degree is 3. Both are numerator having same degree. Denominator, this 3 degree, here 2 plus 1 3 degree. This is the homogeneous first degree homogeneous equation in the form of dy by dx. That's why you can write put y is equal to vx, then v is equal to y by x. Similarly, dy by dx equal to v plus x into dv by dx. These values are substituted in this equation. After that, you can use variable and separable method. Here v comma x are variable. You can answer in terms of v comma x. That answer you can write v value is y by x. Previous problem model. Understood or not? This one is the hint of the first problem. Second one, solve x into dy minus y into dx is equal to square root of x square plus y square into dx. This is also be converted in form of dy by dx or dx by dy, that is your wish. Here maximum in this exercise, maximum problems in the form of dy by dx only. That's why you can write this value goes to here x into dy equal to square root of x square plus y square into dx. This minus y goes to the side plus y into dx. In this two term, you can common dx. X square plus y square plus y whole dx. This two term dx can be common. After that, this dx goes to here, this value goes to here. You get what friends? dy by dx. dy by dx is equal to square root of x square plus y square plus y over by x. This is homogeneous or not check first of all. This is homogeneous or not. Here degree 2, here degree 2. This degree 2 outside of the square root degree is 1. Understood or not? This degree 2 square root is there. Square root of degree 2 nothing but degree is 1. Here degree is 1. Therefore numerator degree is 1. Denominator degree also be 1. Here this is homogeneous first degree. In this equation you can write put y is equal to vx, then v is equal to y by x, dy by dx equal to v plus x into dv by dx. You can write this value in this equation 1. You get variable separable method. And this here variable what here variables are x comma v are variables. That variables are you can separate it. After that integration answer in terms of v comma x, that answer you can write v value is y by x. Okay students, after that next one is solve 2 into dy by dx is equal to y by x plus y square by x square. See student, this can be written as 2 into dy by dx is equal to, first of all you can write LCM. What is the LCM of x square? Then you can write xy plus y square. Next, dy by dx equal to what? Dy by dx equal to xy plus y square. Right? This 2 goes to here, 2x square. This is equation 1. This is homogeneous or not? Check students. Here, x power 1, y power 1. 1 plus 1, degree is 2. Here also the degree is 2. Here, numerator degree is 2. Denominator degree also be 2. Here both are equal. This is also be first degree. Maximum differential equations homogeneous first degree only. Observe that friends. This is the first degree. This is also be first degree. This is also first degree. Maximum problems first degree homogeneous are coming to the internal public examination. Okay friends. After that, put to be and write y is equal to vx. Why? Because you can write y is equal to vx. This is in the form of dy by dx. That's why you can write v is equal to y by x. Then dy by dx is equal to what friends? V plus x into dv by dx. Okay friends, these values are substituted in equation 1. You get in terms of v comma y function. That function you can variables are separated. After that you can integration on both sides. Then answer in terms of v comma x, you can write v value y by x. These are the hint of the homework problems. You can use this in totally can solve. Sometimes this variable separable method separated. Sometimes you can use partial fractions. That is also very important. Sometimes suppose integral 1 by v square plus v is there. This one can be written as 1 by v into v plus 1. Understood or not? After that, this can be written as, this can be separated partial fractions. A by v plus b by v plus 1. After that, you can find a by v value. After the substitute in this equation. After that, integration. Some problems that using partial fractions. See students, that is a problem based equation.